In this video, I want to demonstrate the use of Active Directory, and that's Windows Active Directory. So this is Microsoft Server 2019, and I've installed the Active Directory in this one. So let's see. Um, yeah, okay. So I go here, and I just want to show you the different organizational units that's created under this domain name. This is the users. Normally, this will be the users of the company or of the different departments. If we want to create different organizational units, then we'll have to separate the users into different departments. I've created this organizational unit called users underscore users, and that's for normal users. But there's another organizational unit called admins, and I've created one domain administrator here. There's some built-in users. This is for computers as well. These are computers that are connected on to this server. So we have only one computer currently connected there. And these are all the users, or these are generic users. Okay, so that's the Active Directory users and computers. The other thing that I wanted to show you or demonstrate is the remote access services. Now, the remote access services is the one important add-on or feature that one role of the server that allows the server to act as a network address translator, as a router. So it allows users from the internal network to connect on the LAN and also to connect on the internet. That's the secret. So when we don't have this system set up in the router or in the local LAN, we tend to have network cutoff when this internet is out. The local area network is also affected. But rest is the this is the role that the server allows users in the internal network to connect to the internet. So when we install network remote access, let me show you here. Routing and remote access. So that's the one that allows the internal internal users to access the internet. So it is set up like this. The internet is on 10.0.2.15, and the internal network is set up on 172.16.0.1. So that is the role that plays in routing traffic to the internet. and also within the LAN. The other service that I installed is DHCP. I will show you DHCP. This is the service that leases out IP addresses. So I've created only IPv4 and created the scope. Scope is 172.16.0.100 to 200. So that's the pool of IP address. And current list is only one. That's the other computer here that is connected to the server. So it's giving out that IP address from the pool of 100 to 200 IP addresses. So there are no policies set up at the moment, and there are no reservation IP address. Reservation is when we want to reserve IP address for a particular printer or for a particular service or particular server or a router. We reserve some IP address so that it cannot be used, or the DHCP cannot push out that IP address to give to other clients or users. So the three services connected, or the three roles that this server is playing, it's it's doing the Active Directory domain services, it's doing DNS, it's doing remote access services, and it's using giving IP addresses. So DNS is set up automatically when we set up RAS. So we want to demonstrate some things on this client computer. This is Windows 10. So currently I'm logged in as someone else, a cook. That's the name. So if I want to log out from this username, and I want to log in as one of the usernames that is in the server. Let me show you the usernames. These are the usernames. These ones, they are usernames here. So if I check if there's a Kazutewi here, yes, there's Kazutewi in the server. So if I want to log in as uh, Ktewi with this password, oops, that's the wrong password. Now this user is logged in. If I want to log out again and try, and I'll try someone else. Maybe I try. Let's try Maxelef. Maxelef can also log in. Those are the users that are in the server, in the Active Directory. Now, if we want to check if this computer is connected to the server and it is connected to internet as well, and I will demonstrate if the internet goes down, the internal network should still function. So if I ping, if I ping, firstly, let me demonstrate the DNS. Let me demonstrate that the DNS is working. So the name of the server is DC. I should be able to ping this server name DC. The DNS should resolve it to IP address. So let's see. So the DNS is resolving that name DC to this domain name and to this IP address. What if I want to ping Google? It is also resolving. So there is connection between the within the local area network and the internet as well. So the net setup is working in the server. So let me ping. Um, okay, let me now. I will disable internet on the server to demonstrate that if the internet is down, the internal network will still work. This one on this NIC. So let me ping Google again. It's not going through. It's timing out. Let me ping DC or let me ping let's say 172.16.0.1. That's the server. We can ping the server. But can we ping DC as well? Yes, we can ping DC. We cannot ping the internet. What if I enable the internet again? Now I'm enabling the internet on the server. What if we ping internet now? It can ping the internet. So that shows that this network is set up correctly. The Active Directory domain service is working. We got all the users here. And this is how it should work. When the internet is down, we should be able to access the resources like printers and storage um, hard drive or shared drives in the internal network, in the local area network. Even if the internet is down. So that demonstrates how a good network setup on good system works. And I think we can improve our systems. Um, Thank you for watching.